The Tagliamento is a braided river in northeast Italy, flowing from the Alps to the Adriatic Sea at a point between Trieste and Venice. The source is in the Mauria Pass, on the border between the regions of Veneto and Friuli-Venezia Giulia. In the upper section, it flows through the historic Carnia region, in the northern part of the province of Udine. In the middle and lower sections, it first sets the boundary between the provinces of Udine and Pordenone and later between the former and the province of Venice. Finally, it flows into the Gulf of Venice between Lignano Sabbiadoro and Bibbione. The watershed covers an area of 2,916 square kilometers with a population of approximately 165,000. The watershed lies almost entirely in Carnia, and the other mountain valleys of Friuli. 86.5% of the watershed is in the province of Udine. The main towns along its banks are Latisana and San Michele al Tagliamento. In the vicinity of the river are the following towns: Tagliamento, Gemona del Friuli, San Daniele del Friuli, Spilimbergard, Casisa della Delizia, Codroipo, San Vito al Tagliamento, Pinzano al Tagliamento. Course. The source is at an elevation of 1,195 meters in the Veneto region in the province of Belluno near the border with the province of Udine. Northwest of Forni di Sopra close to the Mauria Pass. Initially, the river's course is in a west-to-east direction, parallel to the Carnic Alps range. The first tributary of note is the Lumia, which enters the Tagliamento from the left at a distance of 26 kilometers from the source. The river passes through Pinzano and courses in a southward direction, while spreading across the plain, reaching a width of 3 kilometers near Spilimbergo and splitting into a number of branches. Its gravelly bed is very permeable, and it absorbs almost all its waters, but the river recovers most of the flow downstream of Codroipo and Casisa, thanks to abundant flows from underground rivers. From here onwards, the riverbed distinctly narrows to 180 meters and starts to meander because of the reduced slope. Before ending its course, the river receives the waters of a small underground river, the Varmo. Finally, the river flows into the Adriatic Sea between the lagoons of Murano and Curl. Names. In addition to the Italian name Tagliamento, the river is known by different names in other languages of the region. The Friulan official name for the river is Tagliamento. Other local variants include Tagliamento, Tagliamento, Tiamont, Timont, and Tumont. In Venetian, the river is known as Tagliamento, in Slovene, Tilmont, and in Latin, Tagliaventum or Tagliamentum. It was known as Dulmont in German during the Middle Ages.